I'm Karen Tompkins, and I'm applying for the Collide International Award, which would enable me to be in tune with and collaborating with CERN scientists on a project called Particle Mandala. And the Particle Mandala would utilize all of the CERN knowledge and impact that they've had on our culture and our current way of looking at the world. And it would utilize their data bank, their research, and hopefully by collaborating with them, we would both have a new view of the universe. This new view of the universe would be incorporating the ancient form of the mandala with the iconography that's been called by CERN in the most contemporary cutting-edge science known on Earth. I saw the Large Hadron Collider, the image of it. I felt that it had a resonance that was profound. And then it dawned on me that the mandalas that I've always seen in Tibetan, Buddhist, and Hindu art replicate the same forms. And there is an incredible synchronicity because the Hindu mandalas are actually symbolic representations of the universe. And what is discovered in the Large Hadron Collider with the particles is also the framework of the universe, these subatomic particles that compose everything. So it seems very fitting to create a work of art that utilizes these two forms and combines them, one ancient and one massively contemporary. The particle mandala would be composed of 24 television screens, the similar size, and contain imagery that is culled from CERN and devised to have visual impact. So these 24 screens are arranged in a radiating pattern of kind of concentric modules. And the impact hopefully is enough to garner this invasion of people's space and vice versa, so that they're participating in the environment of the art piece. And it's actually been my dream to do a project about particles and subatomic world forever. And I've looked at many photographs from CERN, and when the Large Hadron Collider found the Higgs boson, I was elated. And some of this imagery reflects that concern with what's been going on at CERN for all these years. And I hope that if I do the project, the monitors would have individual videos of this type of artwork on them, videos of paintings, and then they would be arranged in a mandala, which is somewhat similar to this idea. This is very rudimentary sketch, but the screens would be radiating out from a center, as Tibetan and Hindu mandalas do. They have this concentric circle structure, and they represent different realms actually in Hindu iconography, but the entire mandala represents the universe, which is wonderful in that it parallels the fact that all these particles replicate, or rather constitute, the universe. If you were to take my project and put it on a wall in the museum or the gallery, it would have an incredible impact. And that's something that I value, is that people will be engaged with it and that they will want to view it and become part of it. And originally that was the actual point of having mandalas, was that the viewer would become engaged and go into the space of the mandala and experience the universe in a new way. So I'm hoping that this incredibly complex way of describing the universe will have the same impact.